Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to revert my cash app stolen. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your Cash App is lost or stolen, then what you can do first is head over and open up your Cash App app and be sure to be logged into your account. Then simply tap the Cash Card tab icon, then tap Get Card Support on your card image. Then once done, all you gotta do is choose the report card issue. Then once done, select card stolen or compromised or card missing and follow the prompts. Then the app will disable your card immediately and let you order a replacement. All you gotta do is fill up the prompts to order a new replacement. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.